In this video, I will show you how to clear app cache on iPhone and free up storage safely. So let's get started. Unlike Android, iPhones don't have single clear cache button, but there are two different ways to clear app cache. The first way is to clear app related data from the App Store. This method clears usage related data, not full cache, but it can help a little. First open App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Personalize Recommendations. Now tap Clear App Usage Data. Tap on Confirm. Note that this does not fully clear the app cache. It only resets some app-related activity data. For real cache cleaning, we will use the next method. With this method, we will clear app cache using iPhone storage. So first open Settings app. Now go to General. Tap iPhone Storage. Just wait for a couple of seconds to load the list of apps. And you will see all the installed apps and the space each app is consuming. Just tap on the app that is using a lot of storage. Now tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps its documents and data. After offloading, tap Reinstall App and the app gets installed again. This process removes cache and temporary files and gives the app fresh start without deleting your account data. So that is how you can clear app cache on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.